In the clip presented today on my YouTube channel, I will talk about how many continents are there on the globe and what are they called. Stay like this, but stay with me in the next few minutes to be up to date. The continent is a vast expanse of land that is almost completely surrounded by seas and oceans, even including certain neighboring islands or archipelagos. In total, the continent forms the land cover in a percentage of 27% of the Earth's surface. See how many continents there are on the globe and what they are called. How many continents are there on the globe? Continents are the largest land areas, including their related islands. The border of a continent can be extended to the limit of the continental shelf, which can be hundreds of kilometers offshore. There are 7 continents on the globe, and they are: what are the continents on the globe called? Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, Europe. One of the most popular interpretations is that Europe and Asia are separated by the Ural Mountains, and together form a single continent, called Eurasia. North America and South America can also be grouped together to form America. There is also the group consisting of Africa, Europe and Asia, known as the Old World and called Afro-Eurasia. The boundary of a continent extends to the edge of the continental shelf, which can be hundreds of kilometers out into the ocean. The interior of each continent contains an area of old, Precambrian rocks known as the Shield. These regions are geologically very stable and without significant altitudes. Russia straddles the border between Europe and Asia and does not recognize a formal boundary between them, but there is a political border that runs through the eastern part of the Urals and the border of Kazakhstan. How many continents are there on the globe? Etymology and semantics. Africa, named by the Romanians after the Arabic word afar, dust or earth. America, all of America named after the explorer Amerigo Vespucci. Antarctica means opposite the Arctic, and the name Arcticos is the Greek name of the constellation Ursa Major, above the North Pole. Asia means rising sun in Assyrian. Australia, from Terra Australis Incognita, meaning unknown southern territory. Europe, from the word Arab, meaning all things. Comparisons between the 7 continents on the globe. Continents on the globe: Africa with an area of 30,293,000 square kilometers, respectively 20.2% of the total land mass of the Earth. It stretches from the Mediterranean Sea to the Cape of Good Hope, and the border between Asia and Africa is considered to be the Suez Canal, and not the border between Egypt and Israel. Africa's climate zones include desert, jungle, and savanna. Continents of the globe: North America with an area of 25,349,000 square kilometers, respectively 16.1% of the total land mass on Earth. The Great Plains region separates the mountains on the east and west coasts. Climatic zones of North America, from tropical forest to desert or jungle. Continents of the globe: South America with an area of 17,611,000 square kilometers, respectively 12.1% of the total land mass on Earth. The southernmost point is Cape Horn, on Horn Island, and on land, the southernmost point is Cape Froward, in southern Chile. The most important geological formations are the Andes Mountains, the Amazon River Basin and the Patagonian Plateau. The northern border of the continent is the border between Colombia and Panama. Continents on the globe: Antarctica, the place where the south pole of the Earth is located. A continent covered almost entirely by ice, all the time. Careful, don't confuse Antarctica with Antarctica. Antarctica is the southern polar region of the Earth that includes the continent of Antarctica and the southern portions of the adjacent oceans. Continents of the globe: Asia with an area of 44,493,000 square kilometers, respectively 29.6% of the total land mass on Earth. It is home to the world's highest peak, Mount Everest, and the northern forests are the world's largest forested regions. The continent stretches from the Arctic Circle to about 10 degrees below Ecuador. Continents of the globe: Australia continent consisting of the large land area of Australia and islands, groups of islands in the South Pacific Ocean, Tasmania, Polynesia, New Zealand, Melanesia, Micronesia, etc. What are the world seas and oceans? Continents on the globe: Europe with an area of 10,245,000 square kilometers, respectively 6.8% of the total land mass on Earth. Much of Turkey is in Asia, and the main city is Istanbul, split between Europe and Asia. All 7 continents on the globe occupy 29% of the Earth's surface. The remaining 71% is water.